Imagine a country that has not lost a single inch of its border in over 600 years, not to the Romans, not to the Mongols, the British, or even the Soviet Union. While many nations in the Middle East have seen their borders redrawn and their governments fall, Iran stands like a castle that no one can seem to crack. In a world where superpowers like the US have interceded in Iraq, Libya, and Syria, Iran remains the one unbeatable. But why? Is it just luck, or is there something hidden in the land itself? Today we are breaking down the 3 major reasons why invading Iran is a military nightmare. The first thing you need to understand about Iran is that it is a literal castle, but its walls were not built by people, they were built by nature. To the south and west you have the Zagros mountains. These are not just hills, they are massive rough peaks that act as a giant wall against anyone coming from Iraq or the Persian Gulf. In the north, the Alborz mountains guard the border near the Caspian Sea. To the east, smaller mountain ranges wrap around the country like a ribbon, creating a difficult path for anyone coming from Pakistan or Afghanistan. And it is not just mountains where there are not peaks, there are deadly marshlands or two of the harshest deserts on earth, the Dasht-e Lut and the Dasht-e Lut. These areas are so brutal that most of Iran's 90 million people live up in the mountains instead. For an invading army, this means terrible weather, narrow paths, and a total nightmare for moving supplies. Iran has a secret weapon that does not even involve firing a shot, the Strait of Hormuz. This tiny stretch of water is the only way out for 20% of the world's oil and nearly all of Qatar's gas. While 7 different countries share the northern side of the Gulf, Iran owns the entire northern coastlines. Because of the V-shape of the coast, Iran can easily monitor and shut down this entrance. They have even warned that if they are attacked, they will close the strait. If that happens, the global economy could lose $6 trillion almost instantly. It is like Iran is holding a key to the world's gas station. If you attack them, they might just lock the door for everyone. Even if an army managed to get past the mountains, they had faced a problem called strategic depth. Iran is massive, over 1.6 million square kilometers. Major cities like Tehran are not on the border. They are tucked deep inside that country. By the time an enemy army reached them, their supply lines would be stretched thin and their soldiers would be exhausted. Finally, there are the people. Iran is multi-ethnic, meaning it is made up of Persian, Kurds, Azaris, and many other groups. While these groups sometimes have disagreements with the government, history shows that when a foreigner attacks, they drop their differences and unite. When Iraq invaded in 1980, they thought that the Iranian people would turn against their government. Instead, even those who were unhappy with the system joined the fight to protect their land. After 8 years of brutal war, Iraq did not gain a single inch of territory. So why is Iran so hard to conquer? It is a mix of natural mountain forests, a coastline that can cripple the world economy, and a massive land area that swallows invading armies whole. Whether you are looking at geography or history, one thing is clear. Entering Iran is easy, but getting out or staying there, that is almost impossible. What do you think is Iran's biggest defense? The mountains or the oil? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most interesting places. See you in